Yeah. Would you stay until the morning? Yeah. When the sunset turns around, girl, your movements can bring me to the ground. Shouldn't leave without a warning. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now you're in my head, thoughts drive me crazy. I was thinking we could just be lazy when you stay.